Hi everyone, hope you guys are doing extremely well. My name is Defa Engineer. In today's video, I'm going to talk about what language you should get started, right? Although you are in your first year or second year, mostly you are still planning to get started with your first programming language, right? So in this video, I'll try to give you a complete overview and tell you which language you should start as a beginner, right? Although you are going to become software engineer, right? This is very important you should start with the language as a programming language, right? So before learning any programming language, you should keep in mind like you have to train your mind to be the problem solver, right? Rather than remembering some formulas and logics, you have to think like that you can solve any problems, right? So in this video, I'm going to talk about C language, right? Because C language is a programming language which is very beginners, right? What I say, this is very old language, and mostly recent languages are like built inspired by C language itself, right? Or like built on top of C language. Okay, so in the C language, although you are very beginner, you don't have any idea how you should start it, I would suggest try to get started with like data types, right? What type of data type, what is data type, how we store values in the data types, right? And then learn about loops, right? Conditional statements, like so. Language is very big, right? Language, you have to get started with the basic first, right? Although you don't have any idea, right? So get started with basic. For these things, I would suggest a book called Let.C, which is I have. I personally get started my journey with this book only. So this book is written by Connect.C, very famous book, right? Although like every universities follow this book actually. So let us see. You don't have, just go to your library and pick this book, right? Okay, so this book is covered all the things, right? From pointers, functions, loops, statements, memory management, everything, right? So now I'm not going to use any jargon words because you don't have any idea what is pointers, what is dynamic memory allocations, right? How we use nested loops, blah blah, right? I'm not going to use these things because I know like you are in your first year, you don't have any idea. Just I'm telling you how you should start, right? Let's suppose you follow any tutorials, right? Like everyone does. Everyone have their theory from YouTube, right? I know. Just follow whoever you want. It doesn't matter. But the thing is, whenever you follow someone, right? Let's suppose you started with loops, right? And array. Array is the data structure, the data types, primitive data types in C, right? Try to make code along with the tutorial, right? Whenever you watch a video, try to make to code it yourself and try to make your own notes, right? So whenever you're watching a tutorial, let's suppose you're learning loops, try to make your own notes based like you understood, right? I don't know like how you write, what you write. It's up to you. It's up to you. Like it's for you only, right? Okay. So try to first thing is try to make your own notes always, right? Because whenever you need, you can go through the notes itself, right? You don't need to again watch that tutorial, right? That might be deleted from YouTube. So. Okay. So try to make your own note. First, very important thing. The second thing is try to code along with your tutorials, right? You're learning loops, try to code. Take your time. Let's suppose the video is 1 hour. Try to complete in 2 days. It doesn't matter. But think logically, right? Try to clear your concept rather than remembering things. This things, right? Try to question like as much as you can. There's a chat GPT. You can like ask chat GPT question. Hey, what is this? What is that? Why we do this? Why don't we do this? Because it's all about your thought process, right? Once you understand, that's fine. Okay. So this is basic, right? And after that, try to learn data structures. Data structures means we have already built in like primitive data types like int, var, or int. What is it? The booleans. We have strings. We have arrays. So mostly focused on arrays. If you know arrays, you can code in like array, stack, queue, right? If you know these things, you can then go to the linked list, right? And we have advanced data structures also. I'm not going to talk about these things, but mainly focused on basic things, right? So let's suppose I start. This is the content, right? These are the content of this. You see, this book has completely given from like how we should start, like what is constant, variables, data types, right? How we use inbuilt functions, header files, how to write your first program, even though like you can see the first C program. So the book is in very depth, right? You don't need to go to any like tutorial, right? You don't need to stuck on tutorial hell, rather you just follow this book only, right? I don't think so. This book is very big, almost 400 to 500 pages, right? 450, 460 pages, right? But the thing is, you have to be consistent, right? So consistency beats talents. So be consistent. Try to read every day, right? The book is very good actually. I suggest everything is written right, arrays, data structures. Now I'm not going to talk about each and every content here, but yeah, very good book, awesome. If you still don't have, just let me know. I'll try to give you a link, right? You don't need to buy because I know every student from very like is not from good background, and you don't need to know like buy this book again because I know library. If you go to a library, you just grab a book from here using iPad. Right? Yeah, so yeah, that's all about this video, and hope you guys understood what I have like tell you till now, and. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if you have still any questions, doubts, just let me know. I'll try to help you out, whatever I have experiences, whatever I have learned so far, I'll definitely help you out, right? Along with me, my entire team, MANUU Connect is with you guys. Everyone have some experiences in programming language, coding, right? Building projects, everything. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video.